Outside of Canvas, Penspring was originally created to be smooth and easy as it is. So taking it from the top, and we create a new account for a teacher, and we will call her Julie Smith. So logging in, it will take you to the add file page, but let's go to the my files, and you'll see that it sets you up in my personal files and my files to share. And that is a shared group automatically, but we're going to go create a brand new class. So if you're on the right side, we click on yes, do you want to create a new folder? But we want to create a shared folder for a group class. So we check that next one. This gives us a chance to create let's call it the English writing 1020. Now you have a chance here to give a unique link that's very direct. So we're just going to call this the Julie English 1020. So let me show you a different way to get there. So now you see that it's all set up for you. English writing 1020. You have a shared link turned on. So after you're done sharing, you can actually turn that off so no one can actually use it. So if we copy this link, now we can email it to everybody in the class. We have sped ahead. There are 6 new students who have joined us by entering in that link that we shared with them. So let's just see who they are. We clicked into my groups up above. We see we have Arena, Darja, Jimmer, Martha, Nicola, and Peter. We have a situation where we have a 7th student joining. Her name is Simone. So we'll speed through this real quick. Simone will click on the term paper with peer groups and immediately be able to start her paper. By the way, this setup we did for the folder only happens once for the class. This is 24 minutes of focused writing that we are seeing in 15 seconds. And next we will see Penspring's graph report. There it is. You can click on any point of the graph to see that version of the document. The same draft list, by the way, is right below. It has word counts and timestamps. As you click on any of those to see the writing contents on the right side, consider how it has evolved. So obviously, this writer did not simply use AI to write her paper. A student now enters in and chooses Simone's paper to edit. His name is Jimmer. Also Darja and Nicola will have a chance at it. So we see them in this edit report. We have up votes, down votes, how many edits were made, how many were accepted, how many rejected. And it really could be an interesting conversation with the student and teacher to see why they chose to reject or accept particular edits. So it can be a learning experience as well, but at least at a glance you can see what's been done. Now, this is the sentence history. When you click on the right side, choose a sentence. Here you can see the original sentence written by the author. In this case, Darja made an edit. It was accepted on that date stamp. And then we see that Simone, the author, continued to develop her own sentence. That tells us a lot. There is one last advantage I wanted to show you for now. The teacher can see all of the reports for all students on one page. You will be able to quickly see who has started their paper, who is falling behind, and who might be suspect of using AI to write their paper. So this can only happen with Penspring's tracking and reporting, which is automatically connected to the efforts of all students. Be aware that all of the Penspring files were created for each student when the peer groups were defined originally. There is no need for the student to go to the extra bother or overhead of creating a Google Docs or Word file and trying to remember where they saved it. Penspring is a full word processor on its own. Besides, when you are connected with Penspring, you know when the students have started and how they are progressing.